Good morning, students. Hope you'll be fine at your respective places. Last time we were discussing the mineral nutrition in plants. We have discussed the various elements which are very much essential for the plants. We have discussed these elements into two categories, mineral and non-mineral. We have discussed the hydroponic is what is that? वो हमने पढ़ा. Now today we will start these essential elements one by one. What is their role, what is their source, how they are absorbed, in what form they are absorbed, what is their role, third, what is their function, and what is their deficiency, and those elements we will discuss one by one. All these elements जो मैंने पहले आपसे कहा, they are to be discussed in 4 different headings. First one, जो heading हमारे पास है, that is what is the form in which they are being absorbed by the plant. Second जो है, where they are required, या region where they are required. Third अगर हम बात कर लेंगे, that is their functions, and that's the third. And fourth one जो हम उसमें देखेंगे, that is the deficiency. What are the deficiencies? If these are absent in the plants, what will be their deficiency? So these mineral elements, these essential elements, they are being discussed in the 4 different headings. First one is the form, in which form they are being absorbed by the plant. Second, where they are required. Third, their functions. And fourth, their deficiency. Now फर्स्ट जो हम एलिमेंट उठाएंगे आज, जो हम स्टडी करने की कोशिश करेंगे, एक है उनमें से नाइट्रोजन. अब दिस नाइट्रोजन किस फॉर्म में ये हमको हासिल होता है, किस फॉर्म में ये प्लांट्स को हासिल होता है, दैट इज द फॉर्म. इट इज what we say available to the plants in 3 different forms. First one, nitrates. Second one, nitrites. And third one is the ammonium salts. So these plants, this nitrogen, it is available to the plants in 3 different forms. First one is the nitrates, second one is the nitrites, third one is this what we call as the ammonium salts. Now this nitrate अगर हम इसका molecular formula देखेंगे, that is NO3, इसका nitrites का NO2 negative, and this NH4 positive. So these are the 3 different forms of nitrogen by which it is being absorbed by the plants. Now where they are required, this nitrogen is mainly required in all the meristematic cells. In all the meristematic cells of the plant. Meristematic cells, which you already know, these are those cells which are always in the state of division. They remain in the state of division, or we can say this nitrogen, it is required in all the meristematic cells of the plant, and in those cells which are involved in metabolic activities. So this nitrogen, ये कहाँ पर इसकी जरूरत होती है? In the meristematic cells, those cells which are always in a state of division. Second one, in those cells which are involved in various metabolic activities. This is second. Now थर्ड हेडिंग जिसमें हम इसको पढ़ने की कोशिश करेंगे, दैट इज इट इज फंक्शंस. व्हाट आर इट इज फंक्शंस या व्हाट इज इट इज यूज जो है ये कहां कहां पर इस्तेमाल किया जाता है. इट इज द मेन कॉन्स्टिट्यूएंट ऑफ it is the main constituent of proteins. That is, in protein synthesis it takes place an important role. Nucleic acids, it plays an important role. It is the main constituent of these nucleic acids. It is the main constituent of this vitamins. ये विटामिन में पाया जाता है. एंड इन many other organic molecules like we will see chlorophyll. वहां पर भी ये नाइट्रोजन. सो नाइट्रोजन इट इज द मेन कॉन्स्टिट्यूएंट ऑफ द प्लांट प्रोटीन्स, न्यूक्लिक एसिड्स, vitamins, and it is also involved in many other organic molecules like this chlorophyll. It is also present in various, अगर हम बात करेंगे, it is also present in various what we call as in the ATP synthesis. वहां पर भी ये इस्तेमाल किया जाता है. It is also involved in coenzymes. It is also involved in various hormones. It is also involved in various what we will call as coenzymes. यहाँ पर ये इस्तेमाल किया जाता है. So it is the main constituent of proteins. It is the main constituent of nucleic acids. It is the main constituent of vitamins. It is involved in many organic molecules like chlorophyll. It is involved in the ATP synthesis. It is what we call as, it plays an important role in coenzymes. It plays an important role in the plant hormones. Now एक और हेडिंग जिसमें हम इसको पढ़ने की कोशिश करेंगे, दैट इज इट इज डिफिशिएंसी. एक बहुत बड़ी डिफिशिएंसी जो देखी गई है. Since it is a main constituent of protein, it is a main constituent of nucleic acid, it is a main constituent of amino acid. These are those substances which are mainly involved in many, even this ATP synthesis, involved in many metabolic activities. When this metabolic activities is not taking place properly, we will find that plant, it has got standard growth. That is the first deficiency of this, because this protein involved in this nitrogen involved in main constituent of proteins, main constituent of nucleic acid, main constituent of vitamins, even this chlorophyll, even in the synthesis of ATP. So हम जो प्लांट की बात करेंगे, it has got the stunted growth. When there is a deficiency of this nitrogen, mainly in the chlorophyll, so एक phenomena हो जाती है, that is the chlorosis. That is what we will see. This chlorophyll, it will not take place properly. Third जो हम देखेंगे, when chlorophyll is not present, that means photosynthesis does not take place. We will see there may be the reduction in flowering. एक और deficiency which is found in this plant, that there is the change in pigmentation. एक और हम यहाँ पर देखेंगे, what we will see, since it plays an important role in the protein, so we will see there will be the decrease in protein content. So these are the various what we'll see when we describe this nitrogen. we describe in four headings where in which form it is available to the plant. It is available to the plant in three different forms: nitrates, nitrates, and ammonium salts. Where it is required, it is mainly required in the meristematic cells, and in those cells which are involved in various metabolic activities. What is its function? It is the main constituent of proteins, it is the main constituent of nucleic acid, it is the main constituent of vitamins, it is the main constituent of various organic substances like chlorophyll. It plays an important role in the ATP synthesis. It is involved in many formation of many coenzymes and hormones. When we know the functions of this plant, we can automatically what we will see the deficiency if there remains some deficiency in the plant. And when we discuss, when we see these functions of the plant, we draw these. When there may be the deficiency of this element nitrogen, we find such deficiencies. First one, there may be the stunted growth, there may be the chloros, there may be the reduction in flowering, there may be the change in pigmentation, and there may be the decrease in plant what were protein content. This was about this nitrogen plant. Huh. This protein, this there may be decrease in the protein content. Now tomorrow we will try to discuss one more element. We will try to discuss two elements rather. First one we will discuss this phosphorus, and we will try to discuss the calcium. So these two elements we will discuss in these four different headings. Until then, goodbye. God bless you. Thanks.